Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do a Valentine's Day look for you guys. So I don't really know if I'll be doing this for anyone, but I'm gonna do it for y'all. Can y'all be my Valentine? That's corny. Anyway, roll the tape. Using my Urban Decay Primer Potion. Next, I'm going to take this MAC shadow in Texture. It looks like this. So y'all, funny story, I actually cut this piece of my hair because it was damaged, and now I'm trying to tuck it in there. I know the natural people be coming for you. You have a bit of heat damage in the left perimeter of the hemisphere of your hair. We like, for real. Who gonna pop me though? Okay, next I'm taking NYX eyeshadow base in, this is Milk basically, in whites. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take my Morphe palette. This is the 35B. So I'm gonna take this color right here, which is, it doesn't have a name, it's just this hot pink towards the bottom. And I'm gonna put that in the center of my lid. Creasing, and I know it's because I have hooded lid, so whatever's still white I have to go over with my blending color, because the white from my lid always goes to my lid. Okay, so next I'm going to take this purple right here, and I'm going to do the outer corner. Colors are hella pigmented, so that's cool too. Okay, and I don't know, what do y'all think? Should I connect the purple? I don't know, I'm thinking about it. Let me just blend. Anyway, so I'm gonna blend. Then I feel like I want the purple on the outside a little bit deeper. I'm gonna use this color right here. Go with that same hot pink color on the middle, just to kind of bring it out even more. Adding extra purple because I'm an extra person. This is what extra people do. They just keep going until they ruin it completely. I do this all the time, especially in the morning for work. But let me just add one more thing. Bam, ruined. Okay. So next I'm going to prime. I'm going to use my Makeup Forever Step 1 Base Matte Tifiante. Oh, Skin Equalizer. They had the Spanish all up there close to the English. I don't know. I thought it was some fancy stuff. This stuff does not have a pleasant smell at all. I'm not even going to lie to y'all, but it works so good. But I don't know if it's the one that I got. And then I'd be having to squeeze it like this under the... Try to... Most people will love, but it really scares me because I have acne skin. Y'all can see my skin is so bad. I'm actually going to do a video about my skin. Not my skincare, obviously. So don't do my skincare unless you want acne. Take my Maybelline Fit Me in Cappuccino. Y'all, whoever you are watching this, if you're super pale, or you're super dark, or you're somewhere in between, I really hope y'all love y'all skin color, like for real. People really be having issues with their skin color. And I understand, but I don't understand because you're beautiful, baby. You can go on a date with me for Valentine's Day if you're single. Surprise! That's my skincare routine. I erase all of my acne with more acne-causing products. Y'all need a thumbs up if y'all want to see me do a tutorial on contouring for round faces. I feel like the world needs this, but I just need to know if you need it from me. You know what I'm saying? I bought this beauty blender from the beauty supply. It's like 99 cents. I know, y'all. I had to though. I'm on a budget. I only had like $6. And I'm trying to be famous, so I be having to pump out videos, but I ain't no beauty project. Shoot. So now 20 minutes later, I'm over here like, while I'm doing this thing, I'm gonna take my NYX. I'm gonna try not to do this when I'm in my eye. Let's see what happens to me. So it's possible. This is more fun. So I'm gonna take the same purple, this one here, and put it on my lower lash line, but closer from the middle to outwards. I'm not gonna go all the way in. Use the hot pink that I was using earlier on the inner corner to the middle. Then I'll take this shimmery, beautiful pink right here and put that on top of that hot pink. Now I am going to use my mascara for the 5 lashes that I do have. Glow Up. And then I'm going to use K for my lip liner, which is also ColourPop. I want to use pink or nude. You know what it is. Y'all ready for this? I know y'all wish y'all neck could move like that. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Share this if you want to. Go ahead and follow my Instagram. I always put the plug in at the end. LIINGKONG. I'll have the link in the description box below. All the product details will be in the description box. I love you all. Te quiero mucho. Be safe. Hasta siempre. Iton, piton, bidonski. In any other language that I can think of. Okay? Bye.